up to the cookout with these smashed sliders, just know everybody's going to beg you for the recipe. So delicious and super easy. With that being said, let's get into it. The first thing we're making is the sauce. So I have a little bit of mayo here. We're going to add about half a cup of mayo. Then we're going in with about 4 tablespoons of ketchup. This sauce will take your smash burgers to a whole nother level. We're using about 4 tablespoons of sweet chili. And also, this is optional, it's a little spicy now, a tablespoon of diced jalapeno peppers, okay? And next, I'm going in with some pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. You can add a little bit of salt, but we really don't need the salt because we're already adding salt to the ground beef, okay? Mix it up together. Now is the perfect time to taste it to see if you need to add anything else. So good. Absolutely amazing. Now I'm going to cover it, place it in the fridge so we can start with the ground beef. All right, guys, now we're going to make what we call a caramelized onion. Okay, we're going to rush it a little bit because we don't have that much time. So I'm going in with 2 tablespoons unsalted butter. Now let's add the onion right in. And to help the onion sweat a little bit faster, we're going to add a little bit of salt to the onion. And we're gonna have the heat on medium low, okay? And to kind of give it that caramelized color, I like to go in with a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, okay? Like I said, we're going to rush this a little because we're trying to make this as fast as we can, especially when we're cooking for a large group of people. There's other food that needs to be made, okay? The onion is nicely caramelized, as you guys can see. It was rushed, but we still got it done. It's gonna give you that sweet caramelized flavor. I'm going to set that aside for now. Now you can use ground beef for this, but that's what I could find. So we're using pre-made burgers or ground beef. I'm just gonna break them apart. All right, y'all, now we are going to season this. To season it, I'm using a little bit of my Island Vibe Cajun Crush seasoning, a little bit of my Island Everything seasoning, and also some garlic powder, a little bit of Italian seasoning, ground black pepper, and salt. And you're going to mix everything together. Yes, I use the juice from the meat to keep it nice and juicy because this is going in the oven as well. So you want it nice and juicy. And at this point, guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go ahead and add my onions in there. Mix everything together. Almost forgot, I have my Worcestershire sauce that's going in as well. And I'm going to mix everything in. That looks real good. It smells really good. Now is the time to taste it to see if it's good to your liking, the salt, the pepper, the seasoning, but it's perfect for me. So let's remove it. I have my Hawaiian rolls here. I'm going to just slide it right in the middle. Did you know they do sell a pre-made, like a slider bun already slide for you? I knew that, but I couldn't find it, so I'm using this today, okay? Just slide it right in the middle. It's not gonna be dry, okay? I hate a dry sandwich. I need it to be buttery, saucy, juicy. Got a little bit of juice in there, so it's not too dry. We love that. cheddar cheese. You can use whatever cheese you want, American cheese, cheddar cheese. It's up to you. You're going to cover this. Are you with me? Yeah? Okay, cover this. Move it in the middle, wait for it. I have unsalted butter with a little bit of garlic powder and dried parsley. You're going to just brush that all over. You can make this ahead of time, okay? The morning before, actually. And then when your guest gets here, you can pop this in the oven. You'll see how good this looks. Now I'm going to bake this on 350 for about 5 to 10 minutes until the cheese is nice and melted. Listen, everybody's going to ask for this recipe. Come take a look. The cheese is nice and ooey gooey. Let me plate it for you guys. All right, guys, our sliders are ready. And let me tell you, these are saucy, juicy, cheesy, everything you can think of a good slider, okay? Let me give it a try. Listen, if you don't make these, I don't know what you're waiting for. These are so good. You gotta try them out. Thanks so much for watching today's recipe. Don't forget to like the video, comment down below, and also subscribe if you're not here, okay? Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.